Sometimes I think we have to teach people about winning the money from Big Brother, you know. In South Africa, I don't know who's watching this, but in South Africa, there's a certain amount that have to be taken to a tax. You have to pay a tax, you know. And then if you have to pay a tax, it means that you're not going to get 2 million exactly. No, it's not going to happen like that. Lastly, you're not going to get your money the moment you leave the house. You won. Now the money is in your bank. Hell no, it's not going to work like that. Apparently, allegedly, you have to wait about 3 months or 6 months, if I'm not mistaken. You have to wait while your money, for in that 3 months, the period of 3 months or 6 months, there's nothing in your bank, right? And remember, Sweet Guluva is just 23 years old. Let's not like entertain those who bullying him, you know. They're saying he's greedy, this and that. People have been saying, they have been requesting his bank account. So now he put it out there. But now on social media, it seems like he's the one just said, hey, do it, you know. He didn't say that, you know. So now I'm saying let's not entertain those who come up with that negative, you know. And right now they think he's rich just like that. If he's going to get 1 million plus, you know, we don't know how much they're going to charge him for a tax. And now people are like, no, this guy is greedy. How? Because you guys, we requested that. And it doesn't mean that if he says, here's my bank account, it means that we have to, you know, even if you have got 10 rand, you can put it there. If you got 20 rand, it's just to acknowledge him. It's not like, yeah, we're adding, oh, hey, you got 2 million. Why? No, man. It's going to take him a time to get this money. It's a long process, guys. Thank you. Oh, lastly, this have been done by, who's the previous one? Kositwala. They've done it. They've done it to Mpoa Badimo. They've done it to Mark Jr. So it's not new, you know. So let's not, you know, get stressed, depression, anxiety just because people are trashing him. Danko. Don't forget to subscribe. I will appreciate it. Cheers. Bye for good.